Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP as we're heading into the weekend. Not much change since yesterday. Price is sort of dancing on that 50% retracement level here in the support area. We have been exploring, if you haven't watched the previous videos, we have been exploring the idea that XRP could have bottomed here on the 7th of August. Yeah, here at around 59.5 cents and in our support area, which offered support down to 56.5 cents in this particular Elliott Wave pattern of a wave 4. Now it could be that the wave 5 has started, which should take us above 95 cents. Eventually it's somewhere up there, which of course isn't guaranteed, but we're tracking the micro structures to understand if that advance to the upside could have started already. We have good news, which is the 5-wave move to the upside, and so far we're holding the micro support all the way down to 61 cents, which means that as long as we're holding the 61 cent level, I think we have a good chance to start that move. However, the lower degree wave structure could unfold in numerous ways. So let's talk about that, because so far off this low that has been made here on the 10th of August, there hasn't been any impulsive move. So we cannot confidently say that the move down, that this wave 2 is already over. There are now various ways how this could unfold. Now, one idea was that we already saw our ABC structure in wave B. It topped here and we've been coming down in wave C. This would be unusual for a wave C unless it really is an ending diagonal and unless the wave B was really shallow. To be honest, I don't really believe that at this stage anymore. I leave it on the chart for now as a valid option, but I feel, look, the C wave isn't really coming down. The B wave was very shallow. What are the more likely options? In my opinion, there are two likely options. Well, I'm talking about the base case here. Of course, you know, if we break below 61 cents, then we're coming down most likely to 56 again. And this wave 4 was never over. But here in this case, in this scenario, it could be that obviously here the B wave is still unfolding. So I will change these. We'll highlight, okay, B wave might still be unfolding. And it could be, the microstructure could be as follows. This here might have been an A wave. And we might still be in some kind of a B wave. Let me highlight that in yellow as well. So we might still be in some kind of a B wave here. Yeah, or even A wave finished here, and this is some kind of an Elliott wave triangle in wave B. There are two possibilities which would then break to the upside to form a larger B wave and then come down in wave C. What I would really prefer is a larger B wave here to the upside. Otherwise, if we now come down in wave C and if the B wave already topped, which was then here most likely, yeah, on the 11th, so yesterday, then the C wave will, to the downside, will likely not have enough space to hold support at 61 cents. Now a break below 61 cents will not be a disaster, but it will most likely lead to a break, because any sustained break below that level typically leads to failure earlier or later. Official invalidation for a 1-2 setup will not be below until we get a break below 59.7 cents. I mean, we could say, okay, look, we still have the 88.7 Fibonacci level left as support, yeah, which is at 60.3 cents. But I normally leave it off the chart, because if price comes down all the way to that level, it typically indicates weakness to a degree that eventually these setups will break. So, you know, for me, the key bullish support is and reliable support is 61 cents. So I would prefer to see that higher C wave in wave B. You need to understand that obviously if we really are still in that larger B wave here, you have to expect choppy price action corrections. B waves are tricky, you know that. B waves take a long time. They can unfold in numerous ways. But we need to be aware of the constraints. So ideally that B wave does not break above 65.6 cents. So as long as we are below that level, I would assume that we come down a little lower in the wave C of 2, and they need to pay attention to 61 cents for potential support. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.